Top 5 Best Soldering Iron in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best soldering iron? If you received a new soldering iron, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best soldering irons on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The ALIENTEK T80P Electric Soldering Iron 100W is a high-performance tool for precision repairs, with an adjustable output of 18W to 100W. It heats quickly, reaching temperatures from 80 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, and features an OLED display for real-time temperature monitoring. It has automatic sleep and shutdown functions for safety and tool life. CE certified, it supports fast charging protocols and is ideal for BGA precision tasks. Number 2. The FNIRSI HS02 Soldering Iron 100W is a portable, high-powered rework station ideal for precision repair work. With a maximum output of 100W, it heats rapidly to temperatures ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. It features a 0.96-inch IPS color display, a CNC body, static protection, and temperature stability of plus or minus 2%. It also has automatic sleep mode and compatibility with PD/QC fast charging protocols. CE certified for professional repair tasks. Number 3. The ALIENTEK T80/T80P Soldering Iron is a portable, compact tool with 100W power, adjustable temperature control, and CE and FCC certification. It heats up quickly and provides stable heat with a temperature consistency of plus or minus 2%. Ideal for on-the-go repairs and small electronics projects, it is lightweight and convenient, and compatible with C245 tips for detailed soldering tasks. Number 4. The FNIRSI HS02 Smart Soldering Iron 100W is a compact, powerful rework station designed for precision repair work. It features a 0.96-inch IPS color display, adjustable temperature range from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, and a CNC machined body for durability. It also has automatic sleep mode for energy conservation and safety. CE certified, it is compatible with PD/QC fast charging protocols and is highly portable. Number 5. The ALIENTEK T65 Soldering Iron is a compact, portable 65W tool perfect for quick and precise welding tasks. With adjustable temperature control from 80 degrees Celsius to 240 degrees Celsius, it heats up rapidly. Measuring 114 mm by 16 mm by 15 mm, it's CE and FCC certified for safety and reliability. Its pencil-like design is optimized for precision work, making it suitable for delicate electronic repairs. It's compatible with a 9-20V power input, making it versatile for on-the-go tasks. Thanks for watching the video.